Come test drive the 2024 Civic Type R. Simply put, the Honda Civic Type R is a lot of fun. The performance, comfortable seating, and aggressive design will all leave you with a smile on your face. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.